Hey guys, welcome back to Guide Pro. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to view deleted Reddit posts and comments. So if you're browsing Reddit and come across a post or comment that's been deleted, there's still a way to view it using third-party tools. One of the most popular options is a website called Undit. All you need to do is copy the URL of the deleted Reddit post. Go to undit.com in your browser. Paste the URL into the search bar, and it will try to recover the deleted content using cached data. Keep in mind, if the post or comment was removed before it got cached, it might not show up. Also, important disclaimer, be careful not to use any shady or unauthorized third-party apps or tools claiming to recover deleted content. Stick to known and trusted sites like Undit or Reddit. If you found this video helpful, smash the like button and subscribe to Guide Pro for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.